Good morning everybody, and this is 8th class science, and today's topic is textbook project work 6.1 and 6.2 will be completing today. Now the question number 5 we have already इसमें हमने देखा कि there were some questions we have already done in textbook exercises, like question number 1 to 4 we do not need to repeat them again. So today we shall go with the question number 5. Now question number 5 is name two fertilizers supplying nitrogen, phosphate and potash. Now answer is super phosphate number 1, potash and NPK. These are the two types of fertilizers. Question number 6 is name any two irrigation systems in India. इंडिया में दो टाइप्स के इरिगेशन सिस्टम्स बताने हैं. एक है स्प्रिंकलर सिस्टम जिसको स्प्रिंकलर इरिगेशन भी कहते हैं, और दूसरा है drip irrigation system. These are the two modern irrigation systems in India. Now question number 7 is what are weeds, how do they affect crops. Now weeds are the undesirable or unwanted plants that grow along with the crops. They compete with the crops for water, nutrients, space and light. Thus they affect the crops, the growth of the crops. Question number 10 देखिए, name two main crops raised in India, also mention their time of harvesting. Paddy and wheat, these are the two important crops in India. Paddy is harvested in October and wheat is harvested in March to April. Question number 12 देखिए, name the cereals grown in India. Answer is rice and wheat. Question number 16 देखिए, what do you understand by mixed crops. Mixed crops से क्या माने हैं. The method of growing two crops together to save time and labor is known as mixed crops. Crops like groundnut and cotton are grown together and are called mixed crops. Question number 17 देखिए, why are fields sometimes allowed to remain fallow. Fields को कभी कभी खाली क्यों रखा जाता है, fallow क्यों रखा जाता है. Answer, fields are sometimes allowed to remain fallow to increase the humus and microorganisms in the soil and soil so that to replenish the nutrients of the soil, ताकि soil के nutrients जो है वो replenish हो जाए. Question number 1 देखिए, ये 6.2 है actually. What is plant breeding? The technique which involves the cross breeding यानी hybridization between two varieties of plants to obtain a new and better adapted variety is known as plant breeding. The new variety so produced is called a hybrid. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट इज प्लांट, हाउ इज प्लांट ब्रीडिंग परफॉर्म्ड. प्लांट ब्रीडिंग कैसे की जाती है. प्लांट ब्रीडिंग इज परफॉर्म्ड बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. Anther of one plant is removed and pollen of another plant is dusted over the stigma of this plant, and the process is repeated several times to yield an improved variety of stock. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 देखिए, नेम टू लेग्यूमिनस क्रॉप्स. दो लेग्यूमिनस क्रॉप्स के नाम बता रहे हैं, दालें जिनको बोलते हैं. एक ग्राम है चना और दूसरा ग्राउंडनट है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 देखिए, डिफाइन, अच्छा ये चलिए रिपीट हुआ है. डिफाइन फील्ड फेलो, प्रमोट माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, ठीक है ये रिपीट हुआ है. चलिए दैट वाज